shortbread with hazelnut.
Mmm. Those are good. Those think of coffee.
Oh my god. Aeroplane.
Look what's underneath it.
Aeroplane.
The Golden
And the Golden Gate.
Did you know that?
Huh?
Great follower.
Because I just
Yeah, it's a P-51 Mustang. Huh?
Okay, try it with your coffee.
See, I remember that. You know, I know what that airplane is. Now look, it's a B-17. Probably B-17.
Oh my
That's a
gosh,
G.
I gotta go
I
check
don't
my
know.
pies.
Oh,
Want
no.
to check potatoes?
Did you see this
Oh,
color
I'm gonna check them.
on this?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty pretty?
Mm-hmm. I really like that one.
Hey, I like that.
Oh, nice.
Except I didn't have it on extra large.
You know what?
Yeah,
I really like that.
Oh, it's great. I love this color. I like.
Hey,
Love this kind of collar too. It's
Try it on and
perfect.
see if it's going to be big enough. I should have gotten the
Go
extra.
fast.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. But be careful when you don't wash it in hot water.
for Mom and I both, huh?
I thought maybe that was beer.
So last night she goes, go over and feel it. And see it.
I thought maybe that's what it looked like.
Whoops.
Who will be lost now without that knife?
Yeah.
This is what Bob means by carrying a knife. How you doing, Mott? Oh my gosh, look how she's doing.
Oven.
It kind of keeps some stuff in it, but not like a microwave.
Is it
doesn't
is it good for like rice?
so crust?
Or can you? It's not like
The
a.
microwave is
It's not like a steam cooker.
Oh no. It's
No, it's an oven.
it's an oven. It's like it's better than a microwave, but it doesn't nuke your food.
But it doesn't.
For a month.
For a while.
Yeah, well, maybe.
It feels like. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Grits. I love grits. Grits.
Do not touch on surfaces.
Oh, Dan.
Next
Next
Hey,
present.
Dad. Look. Oh. Oh no.
Well, you can have it hanging on the just for Sundays.
Have that casual look.
To stay at home, you know, can be comfortable, loose, extra large.
It's got, look, it's got little spikes on it.
Yeah, that was the.
Oh, boy, that's a bulldog collar.
Oh, look at
Look
that.
at it.
Yeah.
No.
She can.
Maybe we can make it bigger.
She wants to get that bone.
Look, it's all double and
I
everything.
know. Wouldn't it be nice if you could fix it small enough?
She needs a new
Hey,
one,
Matt,
too. Let's-
I believe we could set the buckle back a little bit.
Oh yeah, cut it off.
Let's see that long, how long
Oh, my
it is.
pies. My pies. My pies.
No boxer cut.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
What is it?
Dude. You look Indian.
Oh, that's
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh wow. Oh, it's great. Look at that.
that is good. Look at it.
It moves. Oh wow. Oh, this is excellent. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh.
I could give Bob his big gift.
Oh wow! I need socks right now.
All
Go
right.
with his shirt.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they do.
We didn't even buy him
Once again, the knife.
an extension cord because it has a very short cord on it, so you're going to have to get an extension cord so that you can,
Well, you
Thank you.
I can use this.
Look at that.
I already tried it.
Yeah, Mom tried it. It feels good. Look at it. It's got like a.
Oh wow!
We can all try it today.
Yeah. we can all get massaged. Dad, here's a plug right here behind the piano.
Yeah, I'll try. Oh, boy, that does work. It works so
I
good.
love Lubriderm. Oh wait, I know what I'm gonna do.
Right in your neck. Oh.
I'm putting my Lubriderm in my neck.
How about that?
There we go.
Hey, there you go. You can put your grits in there.
No good.
Go ahead, have Matt try it on your down.
Please. One time I thought, well, I'd like some Pamela Lou.
Oh, it's tea. Good.
Did I get mine? But you may not like the kind.
Oh, I just told you that I
A
can't.
lot of explanations. Oh no, I do like tea.
Just
I
not
was just making
tea
conversation.
bag. Yeah.
Oh, I love toothbrush.
That's a Crowd Tree and Evelyn
This
toothbrush,
is
so
great.
it's
Thank
special.
you. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You already tasted it now.
Oh, I'm already taping.
Yeah.
We're all opening gifts.
Everybody, you're gonna get also your mom now.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
For the wardrobe.
Oh. Oh, this is
Oh,
nice.
wow.
What
You
is
smell
it?
that, you mean?
You like
Thank you, Maud.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh.
This is good for your sinus too. Oh. It's strong, isn't
Now,
it?
what is it for?
Yeah.
See,
Oh, it smells
Yeah, they're different
wonderful.
ones. Shaving
Are they
ones.
different smells?
Yeah.
Let me try this one. Smell this one.
Mom, what is your gift?
You can also rub it on your skin.
That one smells really good.
Let's put them in the box.
I hate this.
Thank you, Mom. You suspect it's not Mom, but...
That's not one of those.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
my gosh.
Ooh.
Ugh, it's too small.
well,
You
it's
have to
mine.
lose weight.
No, I can't lose weight.
You sure it's too small?
Yeah, I'm afraid so. Oh, it's pretty though.
That's too big then.
No, this is.
Oh,
No,
wait.
but that's just right. That'll be perfect. No, I get, this is perfect.
Thanks,
I
Anna.
really need
This
this.
is from Matt.
These are great. Here, I'll try it on. No, it's not
You
too
see,
big.
everything is boxed in beads and stuff we have. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh, isn't that
Oh, that is.
What
Look
is
at
it,
that.
otter? Oh, it's a
A
little
seal.
seal. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a mod without legs.
It's
Look.
made of walrus ivory.
Huh? It's
See
walrus.
that?
huh.
Look at the bottom.
Oh, that's too little.
You recognize walrus from a kind of...
Oh, I'll be doggone. Well, that is neat. Now that would make a great.
thing.
What?
You know what that is, don't you? No? And you had the one with a good memory? My God.
Have I seen it before?
Who's this from?
The bottom? Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, Jamestown. Look at this. Look at this Indian. Oh, this is great.
Oh, a tie.
Beautiful.
That's great.
Thank you.
Purple.
Purple tie.
Look.
And you got a shirt, but I
Pocahontas,
have
John
got
Smith.
Oh, is she helping John
Oh, that's
Smith?
pretty.
Get your
Oh,
shirt
wow.
up.
That's Pocahontas. Isn't it? Sure it is.
See that. Oh, socks. Good.
Oh, great.
Oh, excellent. I love socks. I need socks badly.
You know where this came
Wow.
from?
These are just the kind I want.